Hello everyone and welcome back to Cheap Repairs with Mr. AA. Mr. AA, we were wondering what happened to the guttering.
Still doing it, aren't
Mr. AA is still doing it. Would you like to tell us about all the tools and materials you like to use on the guttering and roofing?
Really, but look, I tell you what though, look at the patio so far.
Here's Mr. AA's patio he's done. As long as we don't use their product in a negative way.
Yeah, we won't put the brand on then because you can't open the bloody thing. Put the screwdriver in here. Open, insert screwdriver. Put my feet on here.
I know, that's why I put shoes on. Mr. AA, what brand are you using here of filler?
No, I'm not saying the brand.
Okay,
it's not great. I wouldn't say the brand.
Why?
Because it's not that great.
Mr. AA's opened up his bow
What's this crap in here?
filler. Sand. What else do you think it is? It would be sand and dust.
I'm gonna have to get some shoes.
We'll be right back. Right, we are back. Mr. AA has some shoes on.
So get some of this out.
Right, here it is. Mr. AA's filler.
In fact, we don't want to go too much because, in fact, that'll probably do it at the moment because it takes 5 seconds. Look, what's that one? That's still in here.
Mr. AA just sniffed that.
Look, that's all you need. Like a little bit of tomato sauce.
It's not tomato sauce, folks.
Yes.
Do not try and ingest it. If you
No,
do,
yeah, it's all right. They know that, right? So
No,
yeah, look,
run
mix
to-
it up. All right.
Jesus.
What?
Is it safe to be inhaling this?
Mix it up like that. Now it doesn't take long to dry it. It takes like 30 seconds. So you've got to go like this real quick. Like really quick.
Mr. AA is running to apply it on immediately.
And then bodge it on quick.
Good God.
See that? It's drying already. And now I stuffed it up. It's such a pain in the arse.
You heard it here first, folks. Mr. AA has messed it up, budged it up, whatever he just said.
That's now they see that's better.
Alright, let's see your handiwork.
Just a rub down, paint over. A little bit more on that in a second. Get over here. Let's put a bit.
And he's doing it again.
Another dollop here.
Now watch and pay attention, folks.
This is the way not to do it.
This is the way you should not do it at all.
Little tiny bit of tomato sauce on there.
Yet again, do not ingest this product.
Yes, yes. Mix it up. Like that. See that bit there on the other side there is dried already. Now what I should have done, put that in the white again. This. I should have cleaned that off.
Mr. AA, how much did it cost you?
$23.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No more.
Keep your eye out for part 3.
Top job.
Keep your eye out for part 3, folks.
Get in there.
Gonna cover the camera.